In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact BOTIM customer care. Start by opening the BOTIM app on your device. As the app loads, you will see a clean and familiar interface. This is where you can access all the features that BOTIM offers. If you are using a mobile device, look for the app icon, which is usually colorful and easy to recognize. Once you tap on it, wait a moment for the app to fully open. This step is crucial because accessing the app is the first action towards getting the help you need. Next, tap on either Me or Profile depending on your version of the app. This area typically appears in the bottom navigation bar. By tapping here, you are directing the app to show your personal information and settings. It is essential to get to this section because it leads you to the help options available for users. You will see several options related to your account and usage. Navigating to this section is a straightforward process, reassuring you that you are on the right track. From there, tap on Help or Support. This option is usually located prominently on the screen. Once you select it, you will enter a dedicated area designed to assist users with various issues. This step matters because it opens up resources specifically tailored to troubleshoot and resolve any problems you may face. You will see a list of topics and resources that can provide immediate assistance or guidance. Engaging with this section can significantly reduce time spent searching for solutions. Now search for live chat. You can do this by typing in the search bar or selecting the option if it is visible. This feature is designed for users seeking quick and efficient support. Once you find live chat, tap on it to proceed. This step is important because it connects you to real-time assistance, allowing you to get answers faster than through traditional methods. You will be prompted to initiate a chat session, which is a reassuring step towards receiving personalized help. You will be prompted with an AI when you enter the live chat. This AI is programmed to assist you with basic inquiries and can often resolve simple issues instantly. It may ask you a few questions to better understand your situation. Interacting with the AI can streamline the process, ensuring that you get the most relevant information quickly. If your issue is complex, the AI will guide you through the next steps. At this point, you can request a support agent. Simply type your request into the chat. The AI will recognize your need for human assistance and will connect you to a live agent. This is an important moment because you are now elevating your request to a person who can provide expert help. Requesting a live agent can make a significant difference in resolving your issue effectively. Once connected with the support agent, describe your issue clearly and concisely. This is your opportunity to explain what you need help with. Make sure to provide any relevant details that will assist the agent in understanding your problem. Clear communication is key in these situations. It ensures that the agent can offer the best solutions tailored to your needs. This step is crucial because the better you explain your issue, the faster you will receive effective help. Finally, follow the support agent's instructions. They may provide steps to troubleshoot your issue or gather more information. Listening carefully and following their guidance is vital. This cooperation helps the agent assist you effectively. You will likely notice improvements or resolutions as you proceed through their recommendations. Remember, this process is designed to ensure you receive the best possible support. By following these steps, you can efficiently contact BOTIM customer care whenever you need assistance. With the right approach, getting help can be a smooth experience.